Hi Yolanda, I am a young lady, ndiyahlalela, ndikhuliswe by my mom ne-stepfather Sam. But as time went, stepfather Sam no mom went their separate ways. Bohlukana Yolanda. And my stepfather remarried again. That's the guy. But when he remarried, he kept in touch with me. Well, with us. Abantwana bakamama. Remember, sikhuliswe nguye Yolanda. Yolanda, on this specific day, well, on this particular day, Yolanda, my stepfather and his colleague, they travelisha to somewhere, and they needed a place to crash, to sleep over for the night before not a problem. Damnika ge address banandilapha, come through, nizolala up. I stay in a 2-bedroom apartment. So ndalungisa ke the guest bedroom for the friend and my bedroom for utata. Dabe ndiselela lewe yakho siswam sister sam naqala is. Anyways, uAnathi, the lady that does my lashes, siswam ndicela appointment ngeke yalo. Hayibo. Anyways, so Yolanda, dabe ndiphekile bafika batya xa sebetyile bathi man, they need to relax. Kwa odwa ke utywala gets still, but kwaselwa we watching movies yabo apha TV. Njengoba kusela ke xa biyanyuka ibev kutshomi katata. Remember, he's my stepdad. Xa utywala buyanyuka buzenhloko sombathe iflisi kubanda kamnandi yolana. So he gets too close to me. The woman is uncomfortable because my stepdad is here. But wami ndingxaki. My stepdad tells me, "Hey man, relax. I'm gonna bungo to relax. You understand? If you tell him no, it's a no. He understands. But if you, come relax, yeah, don't because of don't feel uncomfortable because I'm here, relax. If you really feel uncomfortable, straight up. And relax. Kwasela. Caba nje mesehleli apha. Uthe ncakum uchomi ka stepdad. Faka isandla in my panties. Wadlala ngalo. My dad says he's going to bed. Ke ndimlungiselele mase roomini yam. Wahamba wayolala. Uthe xa yolala, hayi ke couchini zaba ro. Nobody? No colleague or friend katiti. Utata aphume roomini. Sisaleli apha couchini. Yabo, we addressed. I told Dada, no man, then I'm lepit. You can't be sleeping on the couch. No, go send it relaxed. I'm lepit. Yabo. Nyanke ndiyola lepet no roomini yam. I friend ihambi yolala phayana. Utata simshiye lounge. My stepdad. Hayibo, nangutata ezokhwela ebhedini. I don't have a problem because like he's my dad. Yolanda, next things. Next that's a guy that I don't know about. We were kissing. And we did the deed with a condom. Fortunately. Yolanda, I don't understand mama is here because la tata loana umnandi apa. Oh, he's good. He's good. Isinxilile Yolanda. After siyenzile Yolanda, kuzobuya ingqondo shit. Fuck. Ntoni le ndiyenzileyo nalo tata. Yewethu ekseni saphinda Yolanda. Saphinda. But this time around, raw. Xeleleke mnake. Ndaqomba yabona ekseni xa behamba ndizozenza ngathi ndilikobude ubothongo ntiphile in fact. Yabo, he wakes me up and tells me, "Then I'm thank you for the accommodation. Ndikushiyele imali." You understand? Tina says, don't worry, we'll see our way out. Yolanda, into endandizisole yona. Goosebumps because what is it that I've just done? Lo mntu ndikhule engotatam. Yolanda, usikhulisile with my siblings. What the fuck? I get on the bam. And sit. Oh, she has 7,000 rands. Yeah, well. At X-Day, and goes banding in the right and the back 3,000 rand. Yeah, but my 10,000 like what the fuck? What am I thinking this dingai? You're like baboy, the same thing again, but this time around, it all happened in the couch with all three of us. Yolanda, Gapa, my stepdad kapha uThomkatata, we're having a threesome bonke, both of them. They are fucking me. Umlomo wam othi bekupifta yalo abe lona ifake ngemva Yolanda. Like it was so good. Like eyo Yolanda una idea wena siswam into yena siswam. Following day, what is it that I'm doing? Because one day the West mean by West because it's a threesome. Song is saying up lounge. Wham Yolanda, the friend and my stepdad, Nichomi yake. And I'm one female Yolanda. Abandikyanga zange ndayenziwa mna lando lena siswam. But what the fuck? It was so good. It was so good. Hake Yolanda bahamba nyani ke ndaphiwa imali again. Mna and my stepfather zange siyeke Yolanda. Uma nesiza pha kwami ke nyani ke senze on this particular day Yolanda. Ha! Akho mina ngesosidenge. La mina esesidenge. Kwafika umama fortunately sasesiqibile. Yabo. Fika umama unannounced. Anokhe emnyango ndivule afike kuhleli istepdad sam comfortably on the couch. You. Umama wandibona ndothukile. Wasibona basothukile, but I was like trying to compose myself. Umama azothi lo up. Like no, he was just passing by. Yeah, but we do keep in touch. Ndabona umama makayibhayi tu le. Utata wanyanzela kuba ahambe Yolanda ke ngofuneka ehambile. Remember he's comfortable. Funeka ngene roomini yami athathe izinto zakhe. My mom was like Ndabona mama is not buying it sana Yolanda. Mama wam Yolanda ndinqana nogoduka because I feel like my mom knows something. My stepdad and I siyekile. No for the why. Asiyekana imnandi. We love it. It's just in a drama I titties. Remember my stepdad is married. And again this one. The wife, the new wife, and us as the stepdaughter. And she's a sweet wife, Yolanda. Namdi amazi. But because I'm not asking for advice. I'm not seeking advice. Ndithi siswam into endiyenza with my stepdad. Imnandi. But when sozo yazi because Yolanda awunabazali, awuna stepdad, awuna ingenaphi ngokuleyo apha, ingenaphi lonto leyo. Ingenaphi. Like why izonkhalisela ke ingenaphi? Ingenaphi? What if I have a sugar daddy? What if I experience ku stepdad somnye umuntu lento we experience her? Siswama uzazi isigaxa zami. Awuzazi isigaxa zami. Just because ndingazizi isigaxa zami apha kuni doesn't mean ba aninazo. Shinto benzana ndini? What if I've done worse than you? Some judge. Some khalisela because zakubalisela sami isigaxa and uzoshika ubambe ungasezantsi umlomo. Tiyadlala. Anazigaxa guys, I am pure. So some you are the enter, uyasibawisela ne? Not a problem. I'll take this and post it to Ebahlalini and no bazobawa. But guys, remember that we're not trying to give you ideas. Don't go and try to have sex with your stepfather. Yeah, guys, can you dig about this?